Hi, I'm Will from Ocular Charging, and today we're going to walk you through the installation process for the Ocular IQ Commercial version AW34. The charger will come pre-commissioned, so all you need to do is mount the charger, wire in the power cabling, supply an internet connection, and complete post-installation testing. Remember, only a licensed electrician can install the chargers, and all relevant safety procedures and standards must be followed. The first step is to mount the back plate to the wall using an appropriate anchoring method for the surface. Fix the two M6 screws to the back of the EV charger. These must be fully seated. The charger is now ready to be hung on the back plate, but before we do that, let's determine the best method for cable entry into the IQ Commercial. The system comes with glands for power and data cables, but these can easily be replaced with plain to screw adapters to be used with conduit. It's helpful to change these before mounting the charger. You can now mount the charger onto the back plate by slotting in the exposed screw heads into the back plate. The charger door can be opened by unscrewing the black screw covers and then removing the torque screws using the included tool. The charger is locked onto the back plate by inserting a screw inside the charger. To wire the power cables, bring the cables through the glands or conduit and then connect them to the terminal board. For most common applications, the charger will need a reliable internet connection. There are two options: hardwired Ethernet or using the optional built-in 4G modem. If you are going to use a 4G connection, it's likely that the SIM card arrived pre-installed. However, if it's not, you can insert it now. To do so, open the black box at the top of the charger to expose the 4G modem. You will need to remove the modem to expose the SIM card slot. Insert the SIM card and then replace the modem. For Ethernet connection, run the cable through the data cable entryway, run it up the channel into the black box, and connect it to the socket labeled WAN. Before energizing the charger, ensure all connections are secure and then provide power to the charger. You will see a LED light illuminate green and the screen will come on. Complete post-energization testing following AS/NZS 3000 Section 8. This will include the use of an EV charger tester. Once the charger is powered on, you can check the status of the internet connection on the front screen of the charger. These icons indicate the status of the charger. If they are white, it's connected. If it's gray, it's disabled. And if it's white with an exclamation mark, it has failed to connect. This icon indicates the OCPP connection status. This icon indicates the Ethernet connection status. This one indicates the 4G connection status. And finally, this one indicates the Wi-Fi connection status, which we don't use for commercial applications. And that's it. Your IQ Commercial is now installed and ready to charge. For more detailed instructions and troubleshooting, please refer to our IQ Commercial installation guide. For more information about this and our complete charger range, please visit ocularcharging.com.au, and thanks for watching.